Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale SaaS solutions with Salesforce, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by understanding your current SaaS solution and its key functionalities. Evaluate the specific needs of your target audience. Research Salesforce capabilities and identify relevant features that align with your SaaS offering. Create a detailed project plan outlining the integration process with Salesforce. Set clear objectives for scaling your solution, focusing on user experience and performance. Gather a team of skilled developers, Salesforce experts, and product managers. Initiate the integration process by leveraging Salesforce APIs to connect your application. Ensure data migration pathways are secure and well documented. Test the integration thoroughly in a sandbox environment before going live. Monitor user feedback during the testing phase to identify potential enhancements. Once testing is complete, deploy the integrated solution to your live environment. Utilize Salesforce's analytics tools to track user engagement and performance metrics. Regularly review and optimize your application based on user data and feedback. Explore additional Salesforce features such as marketing automation and customer support tools that can further enhance your SaaS solution. Consider offering training and support to help users navigate the integrated features effectively. Establish a clear communication channel with your audience to share updates and gather insights. Continuously iterate on your product based on market trends and user needs to ensure long-term success. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.